Hi guys, welcome back. So today I've got a luxury haul for you. I've got something to show you from Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Zimmerman and LOEWE. So if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I would absolutely love to have you back here again. And if you wanted to join my YouTube fam, just hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell so you get notified each time I upload so you can join my YouTube family. And throughout the year, there will be little surprises for the notification squad. Anyway, I can't wait to show you what I picked up. So let's get right into it. So first up, I want to show you what I picked up from Louis Vuitton, and it is just something little, but it is so cute. And so let me just unbox it, and of course I will tell you the price. So little box, drawer feature, and inside I got, oh, isn't it so cute? So this is the micro pochette, and this is the latest sort of capsule collection for Louis Vuitton, which is called from the Giant Monogram collection. And I just love the color combination. I mean, I'm a huge fan of the mini pochette, and I actually brought my mini pochette here just to show you the size difference. So this is the mini and this is the micro. So as you can see, it is quite a lot smaller, but I use this as like my daily makeup bag. I love it so much. And this is just like its little cousin, I guess. It's so cute. As I said, love the different colors in it. It does come with this little sort of keychain so you can attach it onto, I don't know, a bag, you know, a belt or whatever. And with the Giant Monogram collection, it comes in a range from bags to shoes to accessories. But personally for me, the bags is maybe a little bit too much for my style. But in an SLG, I thought it was so cute. I also thought that the Kirigami, I was going to get that too, which has 3 pouches, was so cute as well. But I thought, no, I'll just pick up one little piece from their collection. And I'm just so glad that I've got this. And the price of this was $470. What do you guys think of the Giant Monogram collection? Did you add something from the range? Do comment and let me know. So next is something from Zimmerman, and Zimmerman is one of my favorite Australian designers, and I just love their pieces. And the last couple of years, they have just been so popular throughout the world. So we're like, yay, I'm very proud of them. But what I picked up, and oh my goodness, I love their new collection, so I did get like a garment bag as well, which is always nice. I like to store my Zimmerman pieces in these bags because Zimmerman pieces are not cheap. They're actually really expensive. So I will share the price. I actually picked this up from David Jones, which is like a department store in Australia. They actually sell Zimmerman. And the reason why I did that is because I had some gift vouchers to use up. So, and this, I was very lucky to get it because it was the last one in my size. And it is this gorgeous skirt. I mean, how beautiful is this? I just love the sort of paisley print. I love the little bits of beading throughout. It came in a blouse version as well, which was just gorgeous. It comes in a dress version. If I find this, guys, I will link it below. But when I bought it, it nearly in all the sizes sold out already. And so this piece is actually 950 Australian dollars. Yes, so very expensive, but because I had a gift voucher and a David Jones card and everything, I ended up paying, after all the discounts, about $500. So still expensive, but not as expensive as 950. And as you can see me trying it on, this does come up very high-waisted. But I just love the detailing on it. I love how it's got all these cutouts and it just sits at a great length. I think this is just so iconic Zimmerman. I love the colorway. I'm a huge fan of yellow, which I think suits my skin tone. And yeah, I just think it's a beautiful skirt. And next up is something from Chanel. But you know what? This isn't for me. This is just a little something for you guys. Remember, I said that whoever is part of my notification squad, which you guys actually helped me name, which is family, that I would sort of do little surprises. So I purposely did not put giveaway in the title or anything, because those of you that are notified would know that I've released this video, and those of you that are regular watchers, you're probably watching all the way through. So I really wanted to give something back to my loyal subscribers. I wanted to give something back to those of you that watch me all the time. And you know what? I do notice your comments. Every time you write comments, I'm like, oh, I recognize that name. I recognize that name. So guys, do comment on my videos. I do read them, and I always try to answer as much as possible. And honestly, I wouldn't be here without you. But this is just a little something for you. And it's actually a Chanel perfume, and it comes in this beautiful cardboard box. I actually own this perfume too, and it is the number 5 LOEWE perfume, and it is the Eau de Toilette version. Let me show you mine. So it looks like this. It's the classic Chanel number 5 bottle, but this is sort of like the updated version to the classic scent. It's really fresh, it's floral, I just think it smells beautiful. It's not too overpowering, and because I own it and I think it's a beautiful scent, I wanted to give this perfume to one of you guys. All you need to do is hashtag family, and then please just tell me something about you. Anything. I love to know more about you guys, and really that is it. What I would absolutely love for you to do is, if you do have a friend or family member that likes my videos, just hit that share, and then maybe just share one of my videos with them. That would mean so much. It's just something little for me to say thank you to you for just continuing to support me. And this giveaway is just going to be super quick. I am going to leave it open for 10 days. I will put the end date and just the instructions down below, and it is open worldwide. And no, this won't be the end to the little surprises for my YouTube family. And lastly, I have my bag reveal from LOEWE. For those of you that have seen my vlog, I picked up a bag. If you haven't seen it, I will link it above, but I do take you sort of shopping with me in that vlog, and to check out, for my guy viewers, the new Porsche 911. Oh, that is a good looking car. But anyway, let me show you what I got. So it came in the beautiful classic LOEWE bag. I've already taken it out. So it comes in this gorgeous box with the ribbon. So let's unbox it together. Some of you may already have guessed what I picked. And let me just open it. It comes this way. Open, beautifully wrapped. And this is the dust bag. Let me just put the box down. So this is the LOEWE dust bag. Very good quality. It's just got the LOEWE symbol here. To reveal, I think you guys can guess from the size of the bag. It is the mini hammock bag. So in the vlog, I was trying out a few of the different leathers and colors, and I ended up picking this one because I just love the combination of their classic calf, which is this gorgeous tan. I think LOEWE does one of the best tans with the canvas side detailing, and it is just so cute. So the hammock actually comes in 3 sizes. This is the mini, which is their latest introduction to the hammock bag range. It comes in the small, and it also comes in a medium size. So traditionally the hammock bag had the zipper on the side, but now they've also made the version that it's got these drawstrings. So it's actually so cute. With this shoulder strap, you actually can detach it, and then you can just wear it top handled like this, which is so cute. And there are actually a few different ways that you can wear it. So you can sort of like pull this out like this and then wear it where you can sort of see the canvas towards the side, or you can sort of pull it in like this, cinch it in. And you can also you can shorten this strap as well. And you can, when you wear it on the side, it sort of looks like a bucket sort of style, which I love. So let me show you the inside. Even though it looks like it is absolutely tiny, right? It actually, so inside is all lined in canvas, and it's just got 2 pockets here, which, so in here there's just a LOEWE care card, I believe. Yeah, it's just a little product care card. So as you can see, it's very roomy on the inside. I have a bigger sized iPhone, not a problem. So I've got my iPhone in there. I can even chuck a mini pochette in there. Look, guys, look how much space there is in there. So it looks tiny, but it packs so much. And I just think this bag looks so good every way you wear it, whether it's slung on the shoulder, crossbody, handheld, with the shorter strap. I just think it is such a versatile bag. Just absolutely love the contrast stitching on this bag as well. It's so cute, but it actually, as I said, fits a lot more than you think. So for those of you considering LOEWE, do check out the hammock style. I was wondering whether I should add the mini or the small, because the small is gorgeous as well. But in the end, I picked this one because it is seasonal. With the all tan one, which I was considering, they have that all year round, but this one is seasonal with the canvas. And yeah, I think it gives it a little bit more dimension. Of course, I will tell you the price. It is 1,950 Australian dollars. So I think it is really well made. I am really loving LOEWE's craftsmanship. It's just a brand that I don't see as many people carrying. I know they're more known for their puzzle bag, but personally, I really love the hammock. So that is my new bag reveal, and I'm just so happy to add a more sort of neutral colored handbag in my collection. I've been looking to add another sort of tan-based bag. I do have my Hermes Gold Kelly, but as I said, like, this is just completely different, and yeah, so happy with my little cutie. So that is it, guys. Those are the few items that I picked up, and thank you again to my loyal family. You guys really honestly mean the world to me, and I'm just, yeah, happy to surprise you here and there. Don't you think when you least expect it and you get surprises, it's just always nice? I know I always like that, so I love surprising you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much again. Love you so much. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye, guys.